How to find hidden Steam settings nobody knows about. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is obviously get into your Steam and make sure you're logged into your account. Then from here, what you're going to do is click on your username that you can see right here. Then click on account details, right? So after doing that, there's a lot of things that you can do. If you simply click on family management, you can actually start joining a family or creating a family on your account, where you'll be able to use multiple different profiles on your own account, right? So if you go on your security and devices, here you can actually set up a authenticator on your mobile app. So what you're going to do is get to your mobile app on your App Store or Google Play Store. Then from there you can scan this QR in order to add in your mobile authenticator, right? If you again click on language preferences, here you can actually set up a language. And lastly, if you click on data and browsing, you can actually set up your cookies, right? So if you do not want any of those third parties to be having any of the access to your Steam account, then you need to turn that off just like this. And if you keep on scrolling here, you will be able to find data collections, right? So in here, make sure that both of them are turned off so that Steam won't be collecting any of your account data just like this. So lastly, if you again get into security and devices, here if you again get into your data and browsing, here you will also be able to see like a lot of things like your content. And then lastly, from here, if you simply get to your store preferences right here, now actually here you'll be able to filtrate your mature content, right? So if you do want the mature content, you can enable them. If you want it on while you are browsing on Steam, you can simply enable all of these options, or else you can also like enable this if you want it on your community, right? Just like this. Here we also can adjust our product types and everything. So, and yeah, these are all of these hidden settings on Steam nobody knows about.